In today's video, I'm gonna share how you can withdraw from Invesco app. So first, click on the Folio tab. On the Folio tab, scroll up until you see your investment and choose the stocks that you want to sell by clicking it and click on sell. Then click on max and next and confirm your order. After you sold the stocks, you should now see it on the wallet tab by going back and clicking wallet and clicking the 2 arrow down. You'll see the withdraw button and click it. And then after that, makikita mo na yung withdrawal method na options mo. First one yung online banking, yung 1 business days magre-reflect. And ang fee niya is $2. Tapos yung e-wallet, which is for $50 and above. 1 business days din magre-reflect and yung fee niya is $2 din. And yung last is yung pinakamahal, yung nagmamadali kasi instant siya. And meron siya 3.25% na fee and plus 15 pesos fee. So medyo malaki siya, so I would recommend the first 2 options kapag hindi naman kayo nagmamadali. To withdraw on online banking, click nyo lang siya. Then, click on add account. So, dito makikita nyo yung mga banks nyo. There's only a few options. So, I choose BPI. So, type nyo lang yung account number nyo, tapos yung nickname nyo, at saka yung phone number. And, kailangan yung legal name nyo, same dito kung ano yung sa Invesco app. Next naman yung e-wallet withdrawal na may $2 fee lang. So, click nyo lang siya and then add account nyo. Tapos, pili lang kayo kung alin dun sa GCash, GrabPay, or Maya. So, pinili ko yung Maya. So, tinype ko lang yung nickname ko, yung phone number, and then same again yung legal name. So, yun lang naman. Ganun lang kasimple. Proceed nyo lang siya.